Hi children, today we will do exercise 12.1 question number 5 and 6. Okay. Now move to the, before moving on to the question, just try to recall the definitions of monomial, binomial and trinomial. What do you mean by monomial? An expression with only one term. If it is only one term, we can call it as monomial, and if which contains more the two unlike terms, if it is two unlike terms, we can say it's a binomial, and which contains three terms, that means it's called trinomial. So if it is only one term, we will call it as monomial, and if it is two unlike terms, we can call it as binomial in an expression. Okay, in an expression, if two unlike terms are there, we can call it as binomial. If three terms are there, and we can call it as trinomial. Okay children, now look at this exercise questions. Exercise 12.1 question number 5. Look at this first question. How many terms are here? 4y minus 7x. You can see that there are two terms in this expression. So if an expression contains two terms, two unlike terms, what you can say? It's binomial. It's binomial. What is the name? Binomial. If two unlike terms, what is the name? Binomial. Now look at this second question. Y square. Y square means what? It's only one term. One term means what? What name we will say? Monomial. One term means monomial. Okay. An expression which contains only one term is called monomial. If two unlike terms, we can call it as binomial. And if it contains three terms, we can call it as trinomial. And look at this one. Third question. How many terms are there? X is one term, y is the second term, and negative xy is the third term. There are three terms. So what is the name? Trinomial. What is the name? Trinomial. Okay? Trinomial. Okay children. Now look at question number 4. 100. Only one term is there. So we can call it as monomial. If it is only one term, what is the name? Monomial. And look at the fifth question. How many terms are there? AB is the first term, negative A, second term, negative B, third term. How many terms are there? There are three terms. So what is the name? Trinomial. What is the name? Trinomial. Okay? Trinomial. Now look at the sixth question. 5 minus 3t. How many terms are there children? First term is 5. Negative 3t, that is the second term. So there are two unlike terms. So what is the name? Binomial. If two unlike terms, what is the name? Binomial. Okay. Now look at the seventh question. Seventh question also. 4p square q minus 4pq square. Two unlike terms, that's very important. Here it is p square and here it is pq square. So they are unlike terms. So what you can say? This is binomial. Okay, binomial. And look at the eighth question, only one term. So what is the name? Monomial. Okay children, so an expression contains only one term. What is the name? Monomial. If two unlike terms, what is the name? Binomial. If it contains three terms, what is the name? Trinomial. And do the remaining questions. You do the remaining questions as homework. 9, 10, 11, 12, you do it as homework. Okay children. Now move to the next question. State whether a given pair of terms is like or unlike terms. What do you mean by like terms? When term have same algebraic factor. If same algebraic factor is there, if in two terms or two more than two terms, if same algebraic factors are there, we can say that they are like terms. If different algebraic factors are there, you can say they are unlike terms. Okay. If you want to check whether they are unlike or like, just ignore the numerical part. Okay, just concentrate only the algebraic factor. Ignore the numerical factor, only concentrate in the algebraic factor. If the algebraic factors are same, we can say they are like terms. If the algebraic factors are different, we can say they are unlike terms. So look at the first question, 1 and 100. Both are constants, is it? So what you can say? They are like terms. Like terms, okay? They are like terms. First one is like term. Now look at the B question. Negative 7x, negative 5 by 2x. I already told you, just ignore the numerical part. Numerical part you ignore it. Look at only the algebraic factor. Here it is x, here it is also x. Algebraic factor is same. If the algebraic factor is same, what is the name? Like term. If the algebraic factor is different, they are unlike terms. Okay children. Now look at the C question. Here the algebraic factor is x, here the algebraic factor is y. Both are different. So what it is unlike or like or unlike? They are unlike terms. If the algebraic factors are different, they are unlike terms. Okay. Now move to the D question. Here it is xy, here it is also yx. You know that xy and yx are same. So here it is only xy, here it is also xy. So I look at the power also. Here the power is 1. Every one power is 1 also. Okay. So xy, that means the algebraic factors are same. What you can say? They are like terms. So if you want to check whether the terms are like terms and unlike terms, just ignore the numerical part. Only you concentrate in the algebraic part, algebraic factor. If the algebraic factors are same, we can say that they are like terms. If the algebraic factors are different, we can say that they are unlike terms. I hope this topic is clear. Now do the remaining 2 questions. Question number E and F, you do it as homework. That's all for today. Thank you.